So I recently upgraded my backyard hose setup, and I'm honestly kicking myself for not having done it sooner. You see, after doing a bit of research, I came across a product with a handful of these premium features that were virtually non-existent in other models at this price point. So for today's video, I'll go through exactly how we got here, walk you through the installation and basic functionality, and then provide you with a detailed look at each of those premium features. But before we get to the details, if you find this content at all useful, please take a minute to hit that like button and even consider subscribing, as it really helps out the channel. Okay, so let's go over real quick why this purchase made sense. Well, between watering in this reseeded area next to the back fence and also tending to the garden all summer, I've been spending a lot of time yanking around close to 70 feet of hose through the yard and then trying to neatly wind it up just to get it out of the way. And even though what you see here is one of those no-kink hoses, if you just leave it balled up in a giant mess, it can still pretty easily get a bit knotted up the next time you go to use it. So I decided it was time for a change, and what I eventually went with was one of these retractable hose reels from AYLEID. Now, to install this, I actually sunk a post off the side of my house with a handful of these leftover post supports, along with a 24-inch steel spike that I found and then drilled a few holes through. But if I didn't have this stuff lying around, I'd recommend going with one of those no-dig post anchors, or even just throwing some concrete in a hole. Just be sure to call the utility company before you dig, and if you don't want to mess with a post, I've also seen these attach right onto the side of your home, just like you see here in the manufacturer's video. Just make sure you're comfortable safely locating your wall studs. Now, the installation looked super quick in that video there, and mine was pretty straightforward as well. After getting my carriage bolts screwed into our post, I was able to just slip the reel on there, connect my hose line, and we were ready to go. And as it just so happens, the way that the manufacturer simplifies the process of connecting our hose line turns out to be our first premium feature. So those little black extensions make life a lot easier, both when hooking it up, as well as when it comes time to take it apart and store it inside for the winter, which again, they make super easy as the whole reel disassembles in a matter of seconds. Okay, so the next really premium feature that you don't really see at this price point is the sprayer that this unit comes with. They actually send it in its own carrying bag, and in addition to the ergonomic no-slip rubber grips, it's got 9 different spraying patterns, which you see me using here. And in addition, it just looks and feels nice, and most importantly, doesn't seem to leak at all. Now, another premium feature that other manufacturers didn't seem to be offering at this price point are these tiny cleaning brushes that they put on the mouth of the unit, into which the hose enters and exits. These work to knock off any dirt or grass clippings that the hose might pick up when you're out there watering, assuring that the inside of the reel stays clean and functional for years to come. And then the last premium feature that I had heard other reviewers mention but honestly wasn't so sure about turned out to be probably one of my favorite aspects of this entire reel. And that, of course, is the actual retractable action. You see, not only does this unit manage to pull the hose back in using what they call a slow return control, meaning it doesn't just snap it back in a violent, forceful manner, but it's also virtually silent. So you're not getting any of those loud popping sounds as the reel gets reloaded. So that's it for this one, and I hope you enjoyed that breakdown of some of the premium features on this AYLEID retractable hose reel. And while I bought this thing with my own money, if you do end up picking one up through the link in the description, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It really helps keep the channel going, so I appreciate it. And I hope to see you next time. Thanks.